So Thomas Bielczek challenged me to do this move with a bump. The move in itself is already pretty difficult. I need to... That's in his left hand. How's that? That's going to his right hand and his... What? What? That's going... That's... Jesus. That's going there. That's going... Okay, okay. That... Okay. How do I turn this? I need the display to stay on. Hey Siri, how do I make my screen? How do I make the screen on my iPad stay on longer? Display by it's on. I can't change it. Lock, unlock. Stupid thing. Unsupported file. Now it's unsupported file type. Absolutely brilliant. Play. Play. How did it play a minute ago? Play. Back in. He's catching that there and that there. Now Thomas Bielczek. Okay, I've got to get this part first. Oh, okay, alright. More flick. Cool. The other shaker is, he's doing it this. The other shaker is like, bah. He's doing like an over the shoulder, but it's not going over his shoulder. He's. Oh, how am I going to get a bump out of this? I need to land the first move first. Oh, too many things happening. Hang on. I don't know why I'm trying this. Certainly not in here because this. Bah bah. Fucking hell. Bah bah. That tin catch is like, it's almost blind because I need to catch that whilst watching the other tin. Still don't know how I'm going to get a bump. This is hard, Thomas. Why is he doing it over the shoulder? Trying to do this in this much space is not the best idea, but currently it's 5 degrees outside and I like being warm. Okay, oh, that one was good. Oh, yeah. Like, I don't think this is possible. Throw, catch. Oh. Let me see how he's standing. His left foot forward, right leg. How's his feet go? Boom, twist with a little step and a little oh at the end. Damn right, oh. Once he's thrown it, throw, turn. Ah, the bottle catch is like completely blind. Ah, I'm spending too much time facing this way. Like that. That was the good one. The tin catch is there. Oh, now he's catching it here. That makes sense. Ah, that's too high. What fucking hell? Did you get this on stage? Because, I'm not going to lie, struggling. Oh, there. Pa. Yes. Throw. Like, I've never really used this before. Not in a move like this. Oh, that. There was a click. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, there's no way. To get a bump, you've got to be crazy, Thomas. That was nearly an accidental landing of the move. Fucking crazy. Yes, now the move is coming. Okay, I think I can get a bump now as well. I know I'm catching the bottle upside down, but it's the best you're going to get at the moment. We need to land the move, and then we can perfect the move. So I say to my students, take a deep breath. Okay. Here we go. This one. That's the move. That took me about half an hour. To be honest, I thought it was going to take a lot longer, and at some point, I didn't think it was going to be possible. How am I going to get a bump? There's no bump happening here. No chance. The best option I can see is a bump off the arm. Yeah, I got to get this. Like this. But that's going to be catch here, bump and nest. Bump, left hand bump, right. If I get the timing right, I can get a bump. It's going to be messy, maybe. Into my break. Getting dizzy. Just gotta land it once. I gotta be honest, I didn't think that was gonna happen. But if you break it down, step by step, you can achieve it. Thomas, thank you very much for the challenge. That move is very hard. If anyone else wants to set me a challenge like this one, then film yourself performing the move that you want me to upgrade, and then challenge me to an upgrade. Hopefully, there'll be some which are a bit easier than that.